welcome to the video today, guys. Today I wanted to show you how you can make money pretty easily doing different little tasks through a website called Amazon MTurk. And this is going to be a real simple video. Basically, I believe I might have done one on this in the past, but I was going to go through it again to show you how you can make a little bit of money with this website. So it's through Amazon. So if you have an Amazon account already, you're basically just going to use that login information. I'll leave a link to Amazon MTurk at the bottom of this video, and you can click on that in order to get to it. Otherwise, you can just search for it, I guess. So you're going to want to sign up as a worker. As you can see right here, I'm signed up as a worker. And this is my platform here. I'm already logged in. And here all you see is a bunch of what are called hits. And this is what you're going to be working on. Okay, so we have a whole list of them. And over here you see how many hits there are to do and what the reward is. You're not going to make a ton of money on this. But if you stay at it and you can devote a couple of hours at a day, you can make money. So here's one for $1.75. There's a lot of little ones, but they're very simple tasks. So I guess I should say that. So a lot of these, the little ones, like 3 cents and 1 cent, they're very easy to complete. Maybe take less than a minute, and you just complete it. And so you can rack up a bunch. If you see here, 15 cents, and there's 2,300 to do. If you do the math on that. So one thing you need to know is you're going to have to qualify for some of them. So for instance, this one here, caption and image. See how it says qualify? It's locked. I can't do it unless I qualify. And all you're going to do is hit qualify, and it'll run you through a little kind of a test, and that person will have set up basically just a test to see if you can do what they're asking you to do. So no big deal. You can qualify for these, and they're usually going to pay a little higher, the ones that you have to qualify for. So here's one for $1.40. Got to qualify for that. And I believe once you've qualified, then you can, you don't have to qualify every time after that. So depending on what kind of task it is. And you can also get to it up here with qualifications right here. Okay, so the ones that you can do just no matter what, they're going to show accept and work right here. There's also going to be a little preview if you'd rather just preview it to kind of see what it's about, because they don't give a lot of information right here. So you might want to just hit preview and see what is it. Same with the qualify ones. Preview it first and see, do I even want to bother to qualify for this? And so let me just show you real quick how easy they are. I'll just go and find one, and we'll complete that one here on this video, and I'll show you how simple it is. Okay, so this is an example of a hit on MTurk. This is going to be paying, here it is right here, reward 7 cents per hit. And it gives you 15 minutes to do them. So all you're going to do, this is the preview section. You can kind of get an idea of what you're going to be doing. So you just read through this. This is a simple sorting kind of task. And you're just going to check these boxes. But before you do that, so this is a preview, like I said, so you can kind of get an idea of what you're going to be doing. You can either skip or accept. We're going to accept this one. You have to make sure you accept them before you start working on them. Okay, so here's the instructions. You would have read through all this. I'm not going to bother to do that right now, but that's what you do. Read through the instructions so you make sure you're doing it correctly. And I'm going to check these boxes that I have read through them and hit Start Hit. Okay, so please sort these 8 objects based on how typical or representative they are of the category condiment. Okay, and we're just going to drag them from most typical to least typical, which I'll show you that real quick. So we're looking for condiment, things that, when you think of the word condiment, what comes to mind first? Basically what they're asking you to do. So to me, condiment is going to be, out of these choices, I would say soy sauce. So we're going to put that, drag it down there. Pesto. I'm going to go with sauce. There's no right or wrong answers with these, so just do your best they just want to get people's opinions here. Ginger, not really. Let's see, I would say cream cheese. Syrup, then gravy, and then ginger would be the least typical. So you just drag these down, boom, done with that. And this says personal information is required on every hit for this particular company, okay? This isn't going to be everything. This is just what this particular company wants you to do. So you're going to do your age, and then hit submit query. Okay? And it immediately will bring up the very next one you can do. And it's the same one, and you would just hit accept and do it again. So just for that, which took, I don't know, it took me a little longer because I was explaining it to you. Just for that one hit, I made 7 cents. Doesn't seem like a lot, but look how many hits there are to do. 1,401. So yeah, you can actually rack up some money with this one. This one particularly is asking you not to do it more than 20 times, but there's plenty more to choose from. So I just wanted to show you that. I hope that it was helpful to kind of see how a hit really works. Okay, so that's how easy it was. Didn't take but a minute, and a lot of it was because I was trying to explain to you as I was going. But once you get in the zone and you can kind of, like I said, if you can spend 30 minutes a day doing this, you can make a little bit of pocket change. Personally, you're not going to make millions of dollars or even a full-time income doing this, but this is just one of the ways that I like to incorporate a little extra income here and there. As you know, if you watch my channel, that I have a bunch of these different ways to make little bits of money at a time. You can check out some of the other videos I have about that. If you're interested in actually making a full-time online income, or quitting your current job or working from home, then you might want to check out the link in the description. That's what I recommend. That's what I do to make a full-time income. This other stuff is to help out other people who just want to make pocket change or just need, a little extra money for around the holidays or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.